Good evening, everyone. I'm Mintu Joy. Welcome to my Young Dearborn journey. I'm an international student from Kerala, India. So when I landed US for the first time, I really felt like an alien landing on a new planet. Everything was so different here. To give it more perspective, I traveled almost 20 hours and boarded 3 flights to get to Michigan from my hometown. I did my undergrad studies in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Mara Athanasius College of Engineering. After that, I worked as a mathematics tutor in Brilliance College for 6 months and later joined Tata Elxsi Limited as an embedded software engineer and worked there for 3 years. I came to US with my family, my husband and 2 small kids. They are my real support system. When I got admitted at UM Dearborn, I was equally happy and scared. This is a picture taken on the first day of my winter 2020 class. I'm a graduate student in electrical engineering with vehicle electronics as my concentration. This program was my number one choice. However, I had all these fears in my mind. I'm a mother to 2 small kids. My younger was hardly 1 year old when I started my class. I resigned my job and I'm coming back to school after 7 years of my undergrad completion as an international student. However, looking back, I realized that all these risks were worth taking. It's a little crazy picture of how things are at home when everything turned online. Anyone with kids can easily relate to. So, when I got admission at UM Dearborn, thus started my Talent Gateway journey. I got to know about Talent Gateway from the orientation video. When I joined, I never thought it to make it to 50K. My thing was, my admission process was done by fall 2019, and my classes were only about to start in winter 2020. So I thought like I'll consider Talent Gateway as a mandatory course and do the challenges as a regular assignment submission and to see how could I manage my time between my personal responsibilities and schoolwork because I had taken such a long break of 7 years. So that was my initial thought when I started Talent Gateway. However, gradually I started learning a lot from Talent Gateway. My favorite place in the Talent Gateway dashboard is the upcoming events column, where they show every events happening in the campus. With the pandemic and everything turning online, I hardly came to campus like 3 or 4 times. So Talent Gateway was my connection to the campus. With the amazing challenges and workshop they host, it really helped me to polish my skills. If I was asked to share like 3 great traits which I realized as a UM Dearborn student, the first one would be a learning mindset. Make everything an opportunity to learn. Take a pause to reflect. That was what Talent Gateway did to me. They connected me to the right resources, and through the challenges, I was able to make a reflection on my experience. The second trait which I would like to share is trust in oneself. That mindset in itself made all the difference. Rather than fearing the unknown, trust yourself. The third one would be humility. It's the ability to accept blame and to share praise. On a team level, it means empowering each other. Initially, I thought a measure of my leadership will be how many decisions I could be a part of on a team. However, now I realize it's a measure of how many decisions my team can take without me. It means trusting each other instead of micromanaging and believing that one can go together forward rather than alone. This was one of the amazing experience I had in fall 2020 and the business idea pitch competition which I got to know from the Talent Gateway dashboard. It was a great learning experience with this team, Chow, Marcos, and Kirtana. And we pitched ergonomics ecosystem and we made it to the finals. As a UM Dearborn student, I wear these hats. I'm a mentor to the new International Student Mentorship Program by the Office of International Affairs, where we are able to connect the new incoming international students with the right resources to help in succeeding in their academics as well as thriving in a new foreign country. I'm also a graduate representative for Dearborn Campus Engineers, a student organization for College of Engineering and Computer Science students. I'm an Irma M. Minman Scholar, which is a scholarship by CEW Plus, a great scholarship which helped me to continue my education as a woman. And I'm also doing my Innovation in Action Challenge in winter 2021, for which we have the final showcase tomorrow. On the top of it, I'm a graduate student as well as a mother of 2 small kids. So through my being a M-Talent candidate, I would like to prove that everything is possible for you if you have the right mindset and work towards it. I'm still exploring my future options, but I would like to aspire to have a career in automotive engineering field. This concludes my presentation, and I would like to thank my family, CCS faculty, Talent Gateway, and friends for making my UM Dearborn journey the best. Thank you all for listening, and congratulations to everyone presenting and graduating this spring.